Hey guys, this is Justin from Just Gone Riding. This is a walk around video of my GSX1100 EX 1981.
Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
The tank is not original, it is from the 1982 ET model tank, which is slightly bigger capacity. I've also changed the air filter to K&N port filters, and it has a DynoJet installed in the carburetors. The pipe system have also been changed to the Vance&Hines full exhaust system.
This bike uses the Suzuki oil-cooled system to cool down the engine. There you go, the walk around and startup video of my Suzuki GSX1100 EX. Thank you for watching.